The given question, I'm going to redesign this into the form of a squared negative 2ab positive b squared, so that I would be able to factorize this and rewrite it out the form a negative b the whole squared. So clearly in the very first place, x squared can be rewritten as x the whole squared. Now to represent 12x in form of 2ab, I would be equating 2ab with 12x. So when I do that, foremost I would be dividing by 2 both sides, and that would give me ab equal to 12x divided by 2, which would be equal to 6 on the right side, and on the left side we would have ab. Clearly we know the value of a is 6 in this case, and that leaves me with the only task of finding the value for b. Right, of course I need to place x terms here. Now we need to choose that value of b which when multiplied with a would give us 6x. Obviously the number should be 6. Hence we now have negative 2 times. In place of a I have 6. In place of b I got the number 6. Positive b squared, it would be 6 the whole squared. So this is the required form that we need, and hence the factorized output would be x negative 6 the whole squared. Now we are dealing with perfect squares, okay? If someone gives you a solution, says 6 negative x the whole squared, it is absolutely right. The reason being, when you expand 6 negative x the whole squared, you will get that 6 negative 12x positive x squared, and when you expand x negative 6 the whole squared, you will still get the same thing in a different order. That would be x squared negative 12x positive 36. These both are one and the same. Do not think that they are different. No, they are one and the same, because we are dealing with perfect squares. Whenever we are dealing with perfect squares, the order in which the terms appear, they are completely independent of the output. Output always depends on the perfect square. Okay, let us do the problem D. Problem D, we got 64 negative 144x positive 81x squared. I am comfortable in writing it as 81x squared negative 144x and positive 64. My main aim is to rewrite this or represent this of the form a squared negative 2ab positive b squared, so that they could be factorized to the form of a negative b the whole squared. Clearly 81x squared can be rewritten as 9x the whole squared. My next mission is to represent 144x in the form of 2ab. So I will be equating 2ab with 144x. Dividing by 2 both sides, I would be getting ab equal to 144 divided by 2. Of course the x component is there, and that would give us 2 divides 14 7 times, 2 divides 4 twice. So I would be having 72x. Of course on the left side I've got 2 open parentheses, and one parenthesis I need to place the value of a, which I know is 9x. Another parenthesis I should place the value for b. So we need to find that value of b, which when multiplied with 9x would give me 72x. Clearly the number would be 8. Hence we now have 2 times. In place of a I've got 9x. In place of b I have got 8 followed by a positive 7. In place of b the whole squared, it would be 8 the whole squared. Hence this whole term factorizes to 9x negative 8 the whole squared. So this is the solution. Now having said that, it is also right, or it is also okay to represent the solution of the form 8 negative 9x the whole squared. Okay, so depending upon the choices that you see in the multiple choice questions, you pick out the right answers.